Maswera say Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zim Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana karike kutanga kukuya paneno channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana uchungwa karoka subscriber, don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasmene Zimbabwe takigirai nyaya irupisa nyaya netsa bato ZANU-PF mune Hondo faction YaMnangagwa isikumira vari kupusha for the 2030 agenda mune Zimbabwe izvo zviri kuwanikwa zvichisideline'a vaChiwenga nefaction yavo mune Zimbabwe. So the faction YaMnangagwa buda vachitaura ivo vachiti havasi kuzomira, they are going to push the 2030 agenda. Pane video yatakuvigirai yatirati mungoona ZANU-PF ichitaura, pane audio yatakuvigirai vamaiya vachitaura yatirati mungonzwa about this 2030 agenda mune Zimbabwe yabuditswa neThe Newsbox mune Zimbabwe. Vachitaura ivo vachiti Mnangagwa Chiwenga battle intensifies as the fierce proxy fight and attendant power struggle between President Emmerson Mnangagwa and Vice President Constantino Chiwenga intensifies. ZANU-PF Secretary for War Veterans Douglas Maia says the party is forging ahead with the plans to extend the president's term beyond his 2028 second term constitutional limit to 2030, as openly resolved by the annual conference in Bulawayo last October. And as wakabuda vachitaura nawo tinongo kunzwisai vamaiya vachitaura pamusoro penyaya iyoyi. Mamadzoza mukufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mu comment section.
2030 Vision 2030 Asne man. We have decided to tell you and be able to speak very frankly about what we believe is the truth, and the Bible says the truth and the truth alone shall set you free. We must thank the President as war veterans for initiating this war veterans fund, because it was due it will do the little that it will. It was not there. So we thank the President so much, and we also want to assure the President that the War Veterans League is unlike any other. We will be with the people. The people of Zimbabwe, last year in Bulawayo at the conference, resolved that the President extends his period, his stays a little long until 2030. And as War Veterans League, we will stay with the President and the resolution of the people. There is one of the things that was known as mass line. Anyone who triggered a gun, Hondo YaMnangagwa, knows about this. Mass line is about complying with the demands of the people. And the demands of the people was an interaction between the liberation forces and the enemy forces. Chakawanikwa pakati papo is what we complied with. The war in Zimbabwe still continues. If you remember, at some point I told the nation that we are waiting for the signal. Yes. And once we have the signal, like now we have the signal, a war veteran must understand that the party is supreme. And the party set and resolved. And so shall we, as like any other person. Hakuna more veteran anotora authority or ownership of participating in the liberation struggle to tell the party what to do, for as long as you are a group of people and you are not the majority. And we also have this principle of the revolution which says minority is subordinate to majority. So that principle tells you that not a group of people will decide for the party and government, but the party. And so the President will proceed as demanded by the people. And if you don't comply with what the people are saying, isusu zvati varanisangambiri kuti zvataurwa nevanhu ndozvaunotedzera. Kana ukangosina kutedzera zvataurwa nevanhu unenge wapanduka. Saka vanhu vakataura. Handigoni inini kugara pasi ndega with a few other people. And even the whole league cannot sit down and undo what was done by the country. What about an individual? What about a group of few other people who may want to think that it's not easy? It's not easy to the job proposal. Never propose. Kutonga, we don't compromise. We don't compromise Kutonga. Nepawa, we don't compromise. So the people have spoken. The World Veterans League will stand by the president in the party. And we will continue doing so until final victory. So, I've decided that you actually have what you wanted to hear.
Today is Tuesday, the 4th of February 2025, and it's 10 to 4. Regerai zvinhu zvamuri kuita izvozvo izvo vamaiya. Regerai siyanai nazvo. Zvamuri kuda kuita kuna Geza, Blessed Geza, Comrade Geza, must stop forthwith. May I remind you that in 2016, you stood by the people. You said exactly the same things that Blessed Geza said. Kuti Mugabe achaiti, akomberedzwa namatsotsi, zvikazodii zvikazodai. Now, just because you are benefiting from the ED Mnangagwa cabal, and also, ndotoziva nyaya dzenyu, ndotokuziva izve kudaro from Chiredzi. Haikona maskandal enyu ekukanzuro muchitengesa mastands muchidii nazvo. All documented. That's why muri kuda kubatirira kuti murambe makabata pana ED kuti musasungwa. Ndokuziva izvo kutodaro. Nando mawoveti. Ana comrade nando kuchiredza. Ndokuziva muchimhanyana namaipote. Muri kunzwa. Ndoziva politics kubva ndiri mwana mudiki. Siyai zvamuri kuita izvozvo. Vageza is speaking on behalf of the people. You should be in agreement with him. Zimbabwe yapfuga mane mabvi. And you want kuti uyu ngaachisungwa ngaachidzingwa mupati ngaachiitwa sei because aritaura chokwadi kuti aiwa vanhu vedu they are not benefiting. What kind of animal are you? You just want to benefit yourself and you don't care about Zimbabweans. Munotaura zvekwamusina kuswera ku box watsomba. Mukwane mukawana mukana nditi. Vana veZimbabwe vari kutambudzika. You just want to have a good time for yourself, never ED, and a few people that are less than 200. Zimbabwe has got 16 million people. Pari kubiwa minerals, pari kuitwa corruption, pari kuitwa zvakasiya. Imoti ngavaramba chitonga kusvika 2030. Hamunyare. Inga muri munhu wokuziva wani wokumasvingo. Musaita zvinhu zvakadaro nokuda kukarira kupiwa tumari netumafufu pasi petable. It is not working. ED has not corrected the problem that you complained about in 2016. He has done focal from 2017. Why do you want Zimbabweans to vote for him? He's going to be almost 90 years old. If there is a turnaround, you are going to be one of the first people on the list to be arrested. Pain. You need to stop that. You need to stop supporting the 2030 mantra. It's just crazy on steroids. Haina zvainotibatsira isu. Munomboziva kuti vana vari kuno kuSouth Africa vanotambura sei? Vanorara pasi pemabridge. It has done nothing to address that issue. Your migration between Zimbabwe and South Africa. But you're saying ngavarambe varipo. Hey, tisu vanhu vapi? How many are you? Just a handful of people. Remember, Zimbabwe in 16 million people. We are the people. We have the power. And we say no to your nonsense. Tichanyora malisti ese evanhu vari kuenabla 2030. Muchapera kuinda majere mose. Ndoutaura kudayo. Hatirari usiku tichita all night prayer tichinamata. Regerai munokuvara nezvamuri kuita izvo. ED kana kutiza achienda kwaari kutiza anokusiyai. Do you understand? I need you to work to be on the side of Zimbabweans. I need you to listen to women, to listen to orphans and widows. Don't just say, isusu, vanhu veZANU-PF, isusu, vanhu, what vanhu are you? even those that are in ZANU-PF are against 2030. Muri benzi remurume imimi. Hamunyari. Kuswero sapotane zvinhu zvisina nebasa rese nekuda kwetumari tushoma-shoma tomwapiwa. Pamunofunga kuti muchapiwa motikari naWicknell chivhayo. You need to stop it, muri munhu mukuru. Muri munhu wokuziva, muri munhu wokumasvingo, and I urge you to stop it. Tell those Varakashi to stop what they are doing. Iye zvino pane sequence iri kufamba nepolitics, pane frequency iripo, and you are out of that frequency. Be guided. Don't chimama inini.